Hey y'all, it's your girl Kay from Welcome to Kay's, and I'm here with
Chef D. Kelly from World on My Table.
y'all. It's been a minute, and I mean,
It's been more than a minute,
like
right?
years.
I remember the first broadcast we did was in 2017.
2017. It was called Clinks and Conversation, and guess what? It's back.
It's back along with World on My Table. We've been cooking, but we haven't been filming. We started back in 2022.
We gotta do better. And y'all, at the end of the day, this is my mother. Like, I just want to see her excel and her business grow. Girl, I love you. Okay, chef, so what are we making today?
We are making something called Salsa Verde.
Okay, Verde. We know our Espanol because we do Duolingo.
Come on now.
So what does Verde mean?
Green.
Okay, period. Green, like my money. Like
Holistic.
holistic, yes.
Mm-hmm.
So I see our jalapenos. I see the cilantro, avocado, onion, cebolla. What's these? Serrano peppers. Now, who is this little green guy
Those
here?
little babies are called tomatillas, and that's going to be the base of our salsa this time.
Okay.
If you walk into any Latina restaurant, you will see that there are about 3 or 4 or 5 different salsas. So we're making this one.
Look at him. He's so cute.
He is cute.
Okay. All right, so we have successfully peeled them. So what are we doing next with those?
You're going to drop them in some boiling water.
Okay. Honey, I know that's right because we don't work in a messy kitchen.
I don't play that.
I don't know where the maid is. Where'd she go?
She's off today.
Oh, okay. All right, and before we keep this show going, I know you're kind of like, wait, what's Clinks and Conversation? And also, if you saw us back in the day, you might have saw us clinking 2 glasses. I mean, that's a way to look at it. But
Right.
But in this case, clinking, think of the sound of your kitchen, right?
Mm-hmm.
But we love alliteration here at
Yes.
Clinks and Conversation. And I was talking to Jesus, and he was like, oh, what you guys embody is cuisine, culture, and current events.
And that's just a combination of Clinks and Conversation and World on My Table.
Clock it.
It all goes together. It all goes together.
Clock it. Okay, and I just chopped these in like.
You don't have to chop those. We're cooking those first.
Oh, what am I cutting? You just said you need to be cutting.
I need you to split the jalapeno in half. I need you to.
Then why are they on the cutting board?
They should be on the pot.
You know what? So let me ask you this.
Mm-hmm.
Has any food changed your opinion about a country or culture?
Well, I would say yes.
Okay.
I feel like we come to the table, in life, believing that every family is different, or maybe we assume that every family is the same.
Mm-hmm.
But when we look at the food of major cultures, there are so many things that are similar as we grow.
Yeah.
There's so many things that are similar. You may think that I'm picking up a slice of turkey breast and sliced bread, and someone else over here is picking up a tortilla and a piece of beef.
Yeah.
And then someone over there is picking up a piece of pita and a slice of lamb. Essentially, it's the same. So what has changed my mind is it makes me see the similarities that we have versus the differences.
Which is why, so for anyone that knows me, they know that pizza is my favorite dish.
That's another one.
If you ask me, like, what do you want? You can always know I would say yes to pizza. But across every culture, there is something that's going to have bread, cheese, sauce.
Exactly.
If it has bread, cheese, and sauce, I
You
want
good.
it. Okay, so far in the blender, we have our 3 jalapenos. And this is going to be a small,
And a very mild.
just a very small and mild salsa verde.
Right.
But I put the 3 jalapenos cut in here lengthwise and 1 serrano, according to my chef. And then,
Thank you, sous chef.
you're welcome. The tomatillas.
Tomatillas.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
You didn't let your skin.
Yeah.
The tom-toms are on the stove.
And again, it's tomatillo. Tomatillos are on the stove.
It's a boy.
And this is cebolla.
Okay, I'm cutting up half an onion now. And you want it to keep...
Well, I just wanted to say also, it's not to minimize any culture. It was just, oh my goodness, I just thought about when I was in Arizona. Fry bread with the natives. So there's another one. But either way, it's not to minimize any culture. It's to say that, you know, we understand that every culture has a soul and every soul has a bowl. That's what we used to say at World on My Table.
Mm-hmm.
And yet, there still may be intricate flavor profiles that are indigenous to each area. You know, certain ways that people prepare things based on the place on the globe that they are located. So we appreciate all of that.
I'll tell y'all what I did love, because another thing is, now I am trying to beat the whole carb addiction, and but I can find the bread anywhere, right? And y'all, when we went on a mission trip when I was around 8 years old, and we went to Canada, Thunder Bay, Canada, to visit with the Ojibwe Indians, and they made
Bannock.
Oh my goodness.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
It was
So good.
A little bit of honey,
With moose meat.
No. Well, see, that's just different.
But it's just
it was
different.
a moose
You don't
meat
have to say
stew.
it's
It was
nasty.
different. It was
Right,
different. It was different.
Would you go ahead and cut the cloves of garlic for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
How many cloves of garlic do you want to use?
Well, it's primarily you and I eating this. Let's do 3.
Okay.
The boys will like it or not, whatever.
Okay.
I was laughing because I was just remembering, it's been several years ago, I gotten into a lot of cooking, I would say in my 30s. And I had invited this family over. I used to love to entertain. And they were glad to come because they'd had my food before. So that was not the issue. The issue was I had told them the particular culture that I was going to be serving that day. And they were squeamish. So they ate before they came.
Girl, are they watching
Wah.
this?
I just said wah wah, and I thought about that. But I'm saying it just shows how people have a fear.
Yeah.
Sometimes not just of trying new food, but being around new people. All of it. It's a little terrifying for some people.
I will say one thing that I really like about myself, okay, is that I will always try everything once, okay? At least once. Then on top of that, I know that our taste buds change every so often. I go ahead and try it again. All right, y'all. We kind of did something backwards, so we're gonna dump this out real quick.
I didn't tell you that before.
It's all right.
Okay.
These are lovely and boiled and split open. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour these in the bottom first. You know how your blender wants like that liquid to mix it?
Absolutely.
That's why we're putting that on the bottom. Then we're gonna go ahead and put these peppers and onions and garlic back on top.
Right. So this one is sazon Goya, but usually, many times I use a different type of either caldo de pollo or caldo de res, bouillon cube that you would use to add just the extra oomph. You'll be able to edit
How many
that
packets are we using?
out. 1.
Oh,
Because it has so
And
many
it's-
natural seasonings.
I wish y'all could smell this, y'all. It's so fresh. It's so...
Wait till that cilantro hits.
And then we're gonna put that lime in there too.
Don't put that.
What?
I don't want that color. Stop that.
Action.
We just need some salt. Like estimate about a teaspoon right now.
Why estimate?
Okay, why estimate?
This is a 4 teaspoon, but you know.
Well, you know your fractions.
Hello, wine.
Okay, good. Add our cilantro,
How much do you want to use?
the majority.
Oh.
Just leave just a little bit for another dish.
Oh. Okay, how does this work? Am I chopping it?
You can do a half chop and then put it on in the blender. Linda's gonna do most of the work for us.
Let's see. Sorry, knife etiquette. And I go, boop. And these stems, do they have flavor? I've never asked you that. I used to pull the leaves off.
I've used stems before.
So we use them.
Maybe not this go round if you don't know.
I'll just chop off majority.
Okay.
I'm gonna chop off the
Okay.
majority of the stems because it's a little, we're just gonna chop that off. Listen, this is an appreciation of the culture. If you make it differently in your household, you can let us know how you make it. Share in the comments. Do you use the stems? Let us know, but we're not.
Okay.
So see the juice at the bottom? That's what's gonna help us blend it. How are we doing this?
We're gonna just pulse it until it's smooth.
Yep. All right, and then, so this is what it's looking like so far. Now we're gonna add 1 avocado into our mix.
Oh, and thick. That's what I wanted. Thick and creamy. Yes.
All right, can you get in on this consistency? So I just asked her if we can make it a little bit creamier, and to get a little bit creamier, we are gonna go ahead and put the other avocado in there, okay?
Oh, this is what I was dreaming of.
Okay, let's let her taste it. Is it recording? Girl, taste. Girl, boo. Oh,
Taste it, right. Let's make
look,
the
taste
producer
that.
taste
Not
it.
too much. Tone that up.
Oh my God.
Right, get off the camera.
Thank you. Now we're gonna put the juice of 2 limes in our concoction.
Yes. You know, by now, why don't we have that little thing?
Sarah, you did such a great job as a sous chef. Guys, it tastes so wonderfully.
Look
I
at
wish
it.
you could taste it. Look how thick it is. This is exactly what I wanted. It's
I'll
exactly
stop it
what I
there.
dreamed. So tonight we'll be having arroz con pollo y salsa verde, which is chicken and rice and green sauce. Amazing. So guys, I just want to remind you, from us to you, get out there and try new things, meet new people. And the new things, try 1 a month. They're not going to kill you.
Well, unless you're allergic. But on cha. We'll see y'all next time on Clinks and Conversation.